We're going to check out the 2025 Newmar King Aire luxury motor coach, starting at, wait for it, $1,637,440 US. Bam, Chad. I said it. You said I couldn't say it.
Yep.
I did it.
All right, let's figure out if this is our motor coach.
First of all, the doors are way too shiny.
Yeah, I'm not really a fan of that color either.
I did like the storage compartment though, because the kids can hide all their iPads in there with like the charging ports.
The huge windows that wrap around the slide make it feel really open.
So do the light color of the Italian leather on the couches, but I'm just really not a fan of theater seating.
I like theater seating, but I don't think it's very practical for our family.
Well, yeah, we have too many butts and not enough seats. I do personally think the cup holders should come with a user manual. Ooh, but it does have a heater. We're always cold. What do you think this is for? It's like a triple with a dot in the middle. Is that the eject button?
Is that a drink
warmer?
warmer, cooler? I don't know. Press it.
Oh my god, it vibrates. Nice. That was a whole experience.
The cabinets are European style hardwood.
And the drawers are soft close.
I don't know how I feel about having that much extra space that's like unused back there.
Back here. You know, it doesn't really bother me because right now in our situation, like
The coffee maker?
Yeah, the coffee maker is constantly hitting something. So I feel like there's plenty of room. Although for me,
Watch your head.
This would be like,
Yeah, trying to make coffee.
like, oh shit, I'm gonna flick my glasses. They're gonna come running again. Okay, we're gonna continue our tour without me breaking anything. Viking appliances. Okay, I really, really like this. Whatever we end up getting needs Viking appliances.
Well, that's Prevo or this so far.
Well, shoot. Well, we just need an upgrade. It's fine. I'll figure it out. Oh, okay. See, again, with the storage. I love the fact that it has storage, but I would be climbing on the counters to reach my spaghetti sauce in the back. Which, you know, it's a way of life for when you're there. Oh, fancy. Okay. Some more storage here. See, now I like this. You can pull it out. That way you can access the back on the bottom, not necessarily the one on the top. I guess that's where you put stuff so you don't need to access all the time. Let's see what's under here. Oh, yep. There you go. See, now I know what these are for. This would hold trash for about 10 minutes. What on earth is this? Oh, for like cleaning supplies and stuff? That's cool. Let's see. Do not pull. We won't check that out. And then what do we have going on here? What is this?
Sashimi.
No, I realize that's fake sashimi, but what is this? We never actually figured out how this table works. It either drops down and turns into a bed, or perhaps pulls out with a leaf, making it a larger table, but we weren't really able to explore that. I don't know. Does something. This is where we keep the school supplies in our RV for easy access while we're driving. And residential size appliances be like. And this pantry. That's a sizable pantry. And how thoughtful. I love that. So you can put all your pans under there. That's great. We don't actually have an oven in the one we have now. We have a glorified toaster.
That's what they have in this too.
What?
It's not an oven.
No, our microwave doesn't like do all that.
Oh, our microwave doesn't do the oven part.
I mean, it kind of. It says it does, but it doesn't. It lights things on fire. Okay, so we learned recently this is called the storeroom,
AKA Chad's office.
Okay, that's gross, but I do think it's worth mentioning that the floors in the entire RV are heated.
And now on to the bedroom.
Asked before if they could fit a larger TV. There is no more space for any more TV here. So we have storage on the sides. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's so cute.
Little fireplace.
Yes. I'm like, there's got to be a button to turn that on. Yeah, no, this panel is not my jam, but just imagine it with fire.
We have to go through a 5-day course to learn how to use the panels.
We don't have that much attention. Oh, really? Like, can we turn this on?
The panel does not control the fireplace, but it does control all the lights and shades throughout the RV.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Although I would never be able to figure out which button to press. I'm pressing something. I'm done. No more buttons. Can you figure out how to turn it on, Kramer? Slide out in, slide out. What's this down here? Wait, there's a button on it. Okay, wait, hold on. I think I've discovered something. Boom. Simple as one. Now, see, that makes more sense than these damn smart panels on the wall. This is cool, though. Look, it's like a little space heater. You can turn the temperature up, down. Remember, that thing threw off some major heat, too.
Yeah, it was kind of nice having an actual heater in the room.
And it puts off a really nice ambiance.
Bow, chicka, bow, wow.
Where's the closet?
In there.
Okay, let's find the closet. Step up into the bathroom. I'm like, you gotta figure out how to use these showers. Oh my god. Is it a slide situation? Okay, I need to figure out how to use the shower door. I did that! Yeah, go Kramer. Oh, it's a pull. Okay, it's a pull. There we go. I'm not sure how I feel about the weird seat going on right here, but Hansgrohe? Am I saying that right? Hansgrohe? Anyways, that's a big-ish shower, right? It's kind of weird how like the glass doesn't go all the way up though. I feel like it would really fill up with steam. Maybe you like that, but I don't like that for my clothes. Washer dryer. This is pretty. Look at the sink. And it has the dual faucets, but one large sink. I like that much better, honestly, than the two sinks.
I think his and hers are a must.
Like, what's the difference, though? There's two faucets and one bowl.
But it gives us our own faucet to where we can get ready at the same time.
Well, yeah, there's two faucets. Do you need your own bowl?
No, I'm good with two faucets and one bowl.
Oh, okay. Winner. Look, you don't have to share a medicine cabinet with me either, because there's one on the other side. Stingy. Ha ha! You don't get one, just kidding. I like the light on the mirror. It's like a makeup mirror.
It'll be really good for your getting ready.
And there's the potty.
I wish the toilet...
That is the eject button, by the way, right there.
I do wish the toilet had its own room.
Yeah, that might get gross. Ooh, a cedar-lined closet. I like that with plenty of space for shoes. Or I guess, I mean, if you want to like fold your clothes and stick them in those tiny holes, that's a possibility too. That's kind of an awkward way to hang clothes, though. Did you notice, like sideways?
At least you can access the emergency safe.
It was in the back of the medicine cabinet and a couple others we looked at.
Not practical.
Not practical.
Let's check out the outside. I do like some of the options that they're doing now with the blackout package. This one doesn't have it, but it is an option this year. It comes with black wheels and all the black accents instead of chrome.
So this doesn't have the handle like you saw on the Dutch Star. It has a push button. That doesn't work. Oh, there it goes.
User error.
Has a huge storage area with the electronics behind it. It does have the soft close doors.
Soft close doors.
Whenever you close it up, yep. See, she's got it. She has got it. They don't let you get in the bay doors very easily apparently. So it's got double decker storage over here. It does have the button to roll it in and out, which saves Sarah's back.
You'll figure out these doors eventually.
Eventually. Alrighty. So.
Hello.
Yeah.
I did not touch anything. I think it's dying.
It's probably dying. Just hold it.
Okay. Here, pack it.
Okay.
Equipment failure. Me.
Bring in
All right, I'm ready. Go ahead.
more storage over here. It does also still have the electronic slides.
Will it fit all of my stuff?
Here is no. Nothing fits all of your stuff. So this has the Dometic fridge.
This one's
Cooler.
larger.
It does seem to be larger.
These things are a game changer. It's easy to get drinks in and out whenever you're outside hanging out.
But ours, I think, would fit more drinks.
Yeah, ours is bigger. I bought the biggest one I could
Right.
find that would fit.
Like the truck and the golf cart and all your other toys.
It
What on
doesn't
earth is that?
It has some trays. I think that it was, they had extra space.
They're like, we should just put a tray.
Figured out how to utilize
Stick a tray there.
I like the you know, figuring out how to use extra space. It's great.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta get creative. Dude, seriously, with the door.
No, this one's locked.
It's got a bug.
It's got a lock.
Okay.
Also, oh no, this one works. This is your death door. Access to your batteries for your engine, it looks like.
Exploring the doors. And we're going around back.
Big door. It's built on the Spartan K3 chassis. It's got a 605 diesel engine in it, which is the largest one they put inside of these motor coaches.
I like the design on the back where they put the King Aire, and the paint's really cool.
Here's your wet bay. Very shiny.
It's so shiny. For when you're feeling frisky and you want to take an outdoor shower.
You make sure you're looking good while you take the outdoor shower.
That's right. Come back, the kids are muddy, you just hold them all outside. That actually has happened several times.
It's power bay, power storage, or power lines, everything else.
Power something.
Power something.
Some electrical cords
That's
up in there.
cool. It like drops down like that.
Oh yeah. Don't hit your head, that corner is super sharp.
Backside of your bays. Now, not as much room as the Revos have or the Ford Travel that we saw earlier, but still got plenty of storage area. And again, this is built on the K3 Spartan K3 chassis, which is...
Just how big is that storage bay? Will it fit a Chad?
I think it would fit a Chad.
Let's try it out. I dare you. Do it. Pull it out, I'll push you in. Go ahead, get in. I don't know if you can pull this all the way out. These people are like watching you. Do it and I'll push you in. Chad, for reference, is 6'4". Does it fit a Chad?
It fits a Chad.
It fits a Chad comfortably. You could you could put your arms straight out. Look at that.
I can put a pillow.
Nice.
I think we're good. Yeah.
Perfect.
All right, now getting back out is going to be the challenge. Our storage bay, also a power bed slide. So an air mattress on that. There's our kids.
AKA the doghouse.
The doghouse.
Chad is in trouble. That is where he is.
That's where I'm going. All right.
The question is the King Aire our next bus?
It might be in the running.